Hi besties, let me show you how I made this quick spaghetti jollof. Okay, it's so simple to make. You do not have to even spend 20 or 30 minutes making this. It's very simple. Okay, yes. Now into a pot, I'll just put in some water and I'll put this on fire. I'm going to add my salt to taste and also some oil as well. All all I'm going to do here is to cover this and allow it to boil. Okay, the water has to boil. Now I'm going to go in with my spag or my thalia. Okay, I'm going to go in with it and I'm going to cover this. Do not break it, just leave it like this. Come back to check on it. If it's soft to your preference, just strain your water from it and just don't strain the water. Add some cold water over it again and then set it aside. If you do not have stew, then you would have to make stew at this stage. But if you have leftover stew in your freezer or your fridge, just like this, just scoop some part of it into your cooking pot on fire and then allow this to simmer for some time. Ensure you take the quantity that will just be perfect for your spag. Okay, so you don't have some you don't have less stew on it. Okay, it is jollof, so just do it like this. Ensure to stir so that every spag gets coated with the stew. And also, if you want to add some more veggies or any other meat, you can go ahead and do that right here. Okay, just go ahead and do it right here. Now that everything is well coated with the stew, cover it and allow it to simmer for few minutes, and then your spag is ready to be served. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. Please do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. If you also find this video helpful, then I think you should share to your loved ones so they just make these quick meals. See you on the next one. Bye.